Put a finger down if you know this trending song. Put a finger down for each song you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode. Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode.
Anxiety, keep on shining.
Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode.
Think you're ready for the take.
Type in the comments how many fingers.